Yo, what's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Rahim. We are back again with another great, amazing graphics design video. Some of you guys thought that I am lost on that kind of playlist. Well, nah, I'm not lost on graphics design. And I thought that I could surprise with you guys because I was rolling out tech videos so much, and I thought that let me just get back on the phase so as we can crush things as normal, just like that, and bring out things in a great and amazing kind of way. So right now we're gonna just get started with something. So what is it? Some of you guys have come across fonts, and some of you guys stick with only one font, two fonts. Guys, we're gonna just play this kind of game. It's called the Foont.core. Now, on this kind of game, it's quite impressive because it's going to teach you how you can get started with fonts. So some of us, sometimes we are not that kind of greatness throughout font, but I'm going to share with you guys each kind of step. Now, let us just get started with this kind of gameplay so as some of you guys can see that. Hey guys, as you can see right now, I'm inside the browser. The website is called Foont.core. Now, you're going to pick up your name. My name is AB113. I'll keep it short and clear. After that, you can see our first question, or the level 1 states, which one is the Roboto? Now, as some of you guys know, if you have been using fonts, well, you'll just know this is Roboto, this is not Roboto, and stuff like that. You know Roboto font? So if it is Roboto, you're supposed to see the typefaces. So I'm gonna select this one. That's Roboto, definitely. So we are going to another kind of font. It's called Color Tamil. I've never actually used this font, to be honest, and if I'm getting it wrong, well, no problem. Okay, we're gonna click on because you can see the typefaces. I'm always looking on G and compared to this one. So you might be saying, okay, let's go this one. It's wrong. Well, we lost it there. So another kind of stuff we're having, which one is the inter font? Look at the typeface. This typeface look like Montserrat. This one, yes. Woo! Nice. Another kind of stuff we're going. Is it the same question? Guys, come on. I did that already. Okay, which one is inter? This one. Perfect. So it asked us another kind of question if we were correct or wrong, which is something which is so great. Now, the Open Sans. Open Sans is usually a perfect kind of font, which I really adore it. So some of you guys, if sometimes you're like not sure about the certain font, open a new tab. Don't I'm showing you a trick. Don't say what? Open Sans, say typeface. Then Open Sans will pop up. I'm just showcasing you guys some few kind of demonstrations so as you can just get familiar with fonts. You see here Open Sans, how much it is. This is Open Sans. At the first glance, you can adjust it and see the typeface. You can see this is the ground, and you can go back here and select this one. Perfect. Another kind of stuff, it's Arial. So Arial is kind of great kind of font. If you don't know about Arial font, go back again to Google and just search for that font you want. So like me, I can go to Google Fonts and you can say search Arial. You can see this is Arial, and you can click it. It's a monotype font, something which is so perfect. Wait for it so as you can see the typeface and stuff like that. You can see how much it looks like. Go back to font, select your font, you're good, just like that. So Inter again, this is the perfect one. Open Sans does not look like this one. This looks like a certain font I've been using it back in the days, and it looks more like futuristic. It's not Futura, but it's a futuristic kind of font. And because the typefaces, how much it looks tech font. This one is the correct one. So which one is Juna? So Juna, between these two, you can see Juna, it's the other one. I'm wrong there. I got it wrong. Damn. But anyways, which one is Open Sans? This one. Correct. Which one is Oxygen? This one is Oxygen. Okay, you saw it. Oxygen, and it was Oxygen, and the other one, I don't even remember the name. And let's go again with another one. This is Open Sans. Correct. So each kind of level you're gonna win a star. So right now we're having 900 stars, which is something which is so great. Somewhere here you can see it, something which is so perfect. Another kind of stuff you can see, we are having Avenir, which is level 2. Now Avenir may be tricky, it's this one. Perfect. Comic Sans, who doesn't know Comic Sans? If you don't know about Comic Sans, man, that's the worst kind of font. A lot of graphics designers, a lot of even front-end developers don't like that kind of font on using it. Some of them they do, but to be honest, it's like a mere font which it's there. It's like Windows having that kind of Microsoft Edge, which sometimes we don't even use it. We just go and use Chrome, even if it takes a lot of RAM. Another kind of stuff, this is the Comic Sans. We're having the Comic New. So Comic New looks like Comic Sans somehow. Wrong. It's somehow closely, but it's not that kind of thick. It's in the middle. If Comic Sans it's like bold, then Comic New is like semi-bold. So we're having Fira Sans somewhere here, this one here, correct. So almost before you can see the typefaces, which is Helvetica. Left or right, where do you go? Left or right, where do you go? I'm going to right. I just got it wrong. Okay, anyways, this is how much you can play this game, and it's really kind of awesome because it's mashing up your brain and it gives you that kind of an IQ on the font typefaces. The website is called thefoont.core. I'll leave a link down below in the description so some of you guys can check it out. It's really kind of great kind of game. So as some of you guys know, I'm back surprisingly on graphics design, and I decided to share with you guys something or to give away something. Well, this is a i12 AirPods. I'll be honest, it's a clone AirPods from i12. They're calling themselves i12. I gave out the review this kind of wireless Apple AirPods, like it's a clone from the Apple AirPods. So I'm giving it away. It's not quite bad, it's not bad at all. It's a great kind of AirPods if you are just into listening podcast and music and stuff like that on the go. It's really kind of great and amazing. I'll leave a link down below so as you can join on this kind of giveaway. The giveaway will be lasting for almost only 1 week, and the winner I'll be announcing on Saturday. So for some of you guys who would like to participate, that's what's up. Links are down below in the description. What are you waiting for? Join up and enjoy this kind of great and amazing giveaway. And this giveaway is basically based on Arusha. You're living in Arusha, this giveaway is used. But if you're living out of Arusha, it might be challenging, and yeah. But anyways, that's what's up about the video of today. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed on this kind of great and amazing comeback. It's a comeback. Oh, obviously it's definitely a comeback. That's what's up. I'll be seeing your smiley faces on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative.